In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter only number values in Excel. This is perfect when you need to make sure a column accepts numbers only, like IDs, quantities, or any field that should never contain text. We'll use Excel's built-in data validation so entries stay clean and consistent. Start by opening your worksheet and clicking the Data tab on the ribbon. This is where Excel keeps tools for controlling and checking your data. Having this tab active ensures the commands we need are easy to find. Next, choose Data Validation. On most versions of Excel, you'll find it in the Data Tools group. Clicking it opens the Data Validation dialog box. This window controls what's allowed in the selected cells and how Excel responds to anything that isn't valid. In the dialog, make sure you're on the Settings tab. Look for the Allow drop-down and change it to Whole Number. This tells Excel to accept integers only, no letters, symbols, or decimals. It's a straightforward way to block typos like 10 or 12.5 when you only want values such as 10 or 12. If you already know the acceptable range, you can leave the defaults as they are for now. The key is that whole number is selected. Now choose the range you want to protect. If you've already selected your cells, Excel will use that selection automatically. Otherwise, click into the Applies to box and highlight the cells or column you want to restrict. Take a moment to confirm you're targeting the correct area, especially if this sheet is shared or used for reporting. Click OK to apply the rule. From this point on, Excel will enforce your whole number requirement in the selected cells. If someone tries to type text or a decimal, Excel will stop it and prompt them to fix the entry. Finally, test it. Click a cell in your chosen range and try typing a word like test. You should see an error message and the entry won't be accepted. Then type a whole number, such as 25, and press Enter. That should go through without any issues. This quick check confirms everything is working as intended. A couple of helpful notes as you work. Data validation rules travel with the cells, so copying those cells elsewhere carries the same restriction. If you later need to tweak the rule, return to data validation and adjust it there. Keeping these controls in place will save time and prevent data cleanup down the line. That's it. Your cells now accept only whole numbers, keeping your data accurate and reliable.